Excuse me, boy. Sally and I, we used to date. And then one day, big old Hans ran up and made that processing plant.
A big old Hans?
A big old Hans. He's a bigger fella. He's got muscles. Unlike your old man Withersby, I just got rhythm. I got rhythm. Anyway, Hans made that big processing plant and started making his own milk. But I just couldn't help it.
He makes unicorn milk too?
Yep, and I have to have no balls enough to get my milk processed at that plant. I make barely any money, and meanwhile Hans runs off with my girl, my milk.
Why don't you just kill all of his unicorns?
Boy, you ever tried to kill a unicorn?
No.
Well, it's harder than it looks. They have a horn on their head. Really? Well, hey, Bessie! Get out here, Bessie! This is my last uniform, boy. If you can somehow manage to bash Bessie in a feat of fisticuffs,
Okay.
you'll see it.
It's on. So much for the last unicorn, right?
I did not think you'd do that.
Evaporate!
Oh, a golden potato!
Nice.
That's crazy!
Oh my God, I didn't think it was true. Boy, let me smell it.
This is
Thanks. Smells pretty good. Well, it's golden potato. The man who sold me Bessie said that one day Bessie might die. I didn't believe him. I thought unicorns were invincible. Obviously, they're not. Anyway, he said that one day Bessie might die. When she did,
a golden potato.
it'll be a golden potato. And if you eat this golden potato, I was born. I was like you never seen. You might fly, you might become invisible, you might even like tadpoles more than you do. But instead you get something. You know, you kill Bessie, and I'm old and alone, and I might have no way to support myself. I'm probably just gonna go sit till I die. But you won't. You got that stop. Now you take this red jumper back to Sally. And you tell her, don't